one got louder. New detector. I will so die if that goes off when I'm sleeping. Strobe. Oh, I put the wrong key in! No! Are you kidding? That was the right key, son of a gun. Now, the problem is this detector is so good, I actually have to go take the head off. Oh God, I about died. Ooh, those candelas. Oh. Must have reset. Alright. Boom. I like the selective silence feature. I really do. Because now it can still be flashing. My notifier deluge panel, I believe, 101 series. See right there? It didn't do selective silence, and I like the selective silence feature. And I get to reset after it detected a CO. So, reset. And all the strobes and horns were synced. This one was a bitch because it was loud. There's nothing in the room, so that's why. So tell me what you guys think. It's more of a professional help fire system. It's all flush mounted and everything. So panel once again. Alright, so I just wanted to give you that update. I'm going to have to blow the smoke detector out so I can actually reset the system. So see y'all later. Alright, so I'm going to cut the video here. You guys already seen me do all my alarm tests, so hope you guys enjoyed the 3D view of it. Like I said, this stupid thing has to be blowed out, so.